Okay, everybody, here we go. Just to add, I shut off the heat pump that we have in the room, so I'm not sure if that was the issue with the audio, with something drowning out my voice, but I have a noise cancelling microphone on order from our old friends at Amazon, so hopefully another week or so I'll be using that and trying that out. But I got this chainsaw. I got some mods. In order to mod this bad boy, you need to have Makeshift Warrior level 5. So let's mod this bad boy up. Standard bar. As you saw from my previous video today, I got the longbow bar mod and the flamer mod from Vendor Bought Resin over at the Pleasant Valley Ski Resorts. So as you can see, I guess, Makeshift Warrior 4, that's all you need for the perk cards. 5 aluminum, 7 steel, got plenty of that, so we'll put that bad boy on. Target bleed. Alright. The flamer adds fire damage, improved damage. 2 aluminum, 5 asbestos, 2 gears, 1 screw, 6 steel. No problem. Again, Makeshift Warrior rank 4. Of course, I am not a melee build, so that's why the damage is only 28, fire is 10. So if someone is a melee build and they got the perk cards and legendary perk cards, those numbers will be a lot more. So let's add this on. Flaming chainsaw, rock and roll. So let's, I'm getting attacked here by something. Huh. Weird. I don't think, I don't know if she has weapons on her. She'll or one or what, I don't know, maybe she shot him. Who cares? Alright. So, see what else we can do with this. Random legendary mod. 5 cores, 4 modules. Well, I'm not going to waste it on that. I'll let somebody else waste their modules and cores, because I could be here all day and go through those modules. And as you know, they're not hard. They're not easy to come by. Legendary cores, I got all kinds of those. You can get them from the Bravura. So we'll just keep it at that. I made some room in my stash.
Output is error. Sensors
I bet I could write a whole story about you without
So we're going to sell this. So now we have the mods on sale for 500. I might actually reduce those prices. I might actually reduce them to 250 caps each. So let's do that now.
Lean back and take a deep breath. It'll all be okay.
Yeah, talk in my ear a little bit louder there, lady. Alright. Head over to the weapons section. So here we are, flaming chainsaw. Not sure what to sell this for, but we'll sell it for 1,000 caps. Just because it already has those mods on. A person might not have the perk cards. So, you know, worth my while, I guess, and then they can use their modules and cores to do whatever they want, legendary effect on it. So there we go, 1,000. level 50 chainsaw
As crazy
on
as
sale
it
for
is here,
$1,000.
it's better than where I've been.
So I just wanted to show you that there real quick, and at the same time, see if the audio is better.
Everything has its own
Once again,
sound,
thanks very much.
you know?
Like and subscribe if you have a chance. I really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Have a nice day.